Okay, so we have completed shopkeeper customer conversation part 1 and part 2. So okay, so today we will discuss about that conversation. We will discuss about some extra sentences that can be used, or sometimes it happens that be used in shop. Like for example, we will ask for something and according to you the shopkeeper is charging too much. Like for example, the MRP is 10 rupees and shopkeeper is asking for 15 rupees, 20 rupees something. So in that condition there's a line like आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे ले रहे हो. So we will just discuss about that those lines. Okay, how to say that line? आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे ले रहे हो. How to say this in English? Like आप बहुत ज़्यादा कीमत ले रहे हो. You are charging. No, simply हाँ, you are taking too much or you are charging too much. Charge means like you are charging too much means also same like आप बहुत ज़्यादा चार्ज कर रहे हो और आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे ले रहे हो. So that sentence like आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे ले रहे हो. How to say that in English? You are charging too much. You are charging too much. You are charging too much. So what the shopkeeper can say? No, it's not like that. No, it's not like that. Okay, simply this one is clear now. You are charging too much means you are charging too much. What's the meaning of this? आप बहुत ज़्यादा चार्ज कर रहे हो या आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे ले रहे हो. And the shopkeeper is saying no, it's not like that. No, it's not like that means नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, simply no, it's not like that. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Clear ना? And there is no other conversation that we just do in shop I think. And is there any sentences that you guys use in shop? Any sentence that we missed in the conversation? Whenever you guys go to shop, so is there any other sentence that you guys use in shop? Any other sentence? Yeah, Lakshi, is there any sentence that you use in shop? Confirm, no? So this much is enough, I think. Then okay, like one sentence was extra, like आप बहुत ज़्यादा charge कर रहे हो, like आप बहुत ज़्यादा कीमत ले रहे हो. So you can say you are charging too much. The shopkeeper will say no, it's not like that. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है या नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, just do one thing, just note down this sentence, then we will just move on to the another conversation. Okay, just write on anywhere. Okay, wherever you just write on the conversation and just below, just only 2 lines, no? So you have enough space, I think. Just make one box type and just write down inside of that box this sentences like you are charging too much. No, it's not like that. Meaning is clear ना? You are charging too much. Too much means आप बहुत ज़्यादा charge कर रहे हो. And no, it's not like that. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Come. Off means discount. Discount is clear now. You guys hear about discount now? So 5% off or 5% discount has the same meaning. I can offer you or I can give you 5% discount or I can give you 5% off has the same meaning. Okay, like no, it's not really. नहीं ऐसा सच में नहीं है. But I can offer you 5% off. पर मैं आपको 5% discount का offer दे सकता हूँ. Okay. Then the customer will say, oh, it's great, thanks. Okay, just note down this much then. Okay, all the meanings are clear now. You are charging too much means आप बहुत ज़्यादा charge कर रहे हो. No, it's not like that. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. No, it's really too much. नहीं सच में ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. Then the shopkeeper is saying no, it's not really. नहीं ऐसा सच में नहीं है. But I can offer you 5% off. What's the meaning of this off here? Off means discount. Okay, so I can offer you 5% off means मैं आपको 5% का discount दे सकता हूँ. Then oh, it's great. Like oh, it just exclamation sound. Okay, oh, it's great. ये बहुत अच्छा है. Thanks. Ready to complete? phone conversation is clear now? What's the meaning of phone conversation? Phone conversation is whatever the conversation, whatever the talk we have on the phone is called phone conversation. So the first one, part 1 is wrong number. Okay, the first one is wrong number. Wrong number, phone conversation. Wrong number means clear. What is called wrong number? Like when we call someone by mistake, we dial up some wrong numbers and someone else receives the call goes to another person. So whatever we say, whatever the receiver says, okay, we will discuss about that. So two characters are there. One is caller. What is called caller? Caller means whoever dials the number. जो भी number dial करता है, that's called the caller. And receiver means what? Whoever received the call is called the receiver. So suppose caller, I'm just writing C. C stands for caller and R will be standing for receiver. So caller is calling. Okay, just call. No sound is here. Receiver received the call and said hello. Who is this? Hello, who is this? What's the meaning of this? Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this? Hello, kaun? Simply we just say like after receiving the call, what we say? Hello, kaun? So hello, kaun means hello, who is this? Hello, who is this? The caller is saying this is dash. You just can write down your name or anyone's name. So I'm just writing John here. This is John. This is John. Like this is John means here what the meaning of this is John? मैं जॉन हूँ. ओके, लाइक हु इज दिस? सो दिस इज जॉन. मैं जॉन हूँ. क्या मैं डैड से बात कर सकता हूँ? फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या मैं टेल मी वन नेम. ओके, क्या मैं नीलाक्षी से बात कर सकता हूँ? सो क्या मैं नीलाक्षी से बात कर सकता हूँ? सो दिस इज जॉन एंड कैन आई स्पीक टू नीलाक्षी? कैन आई स्पीक टू नीलाक्षी? Okay, what's the meaning of this? This is John. Can I speak to Nilakshi? What's the meaning of this line? मैं जॉन हूँ. क्या मेरी बात नीलाक्षी से हो सकती है और क्या मैं नीलाक्षी से बात कर सकता हूँ? The receiver said, okay, this one is what? Wrong number. Wrong number means Nilakshi will be available there. Okay, so what the receiver will say? I'm sorry to say, but you dialed wrong number. Okay, but you dialed wrong number. And second option, I'm sorry, but this is a wrong number. Two options are there. मुझे बोलने में खेद है, पर ये गलत नंबर है या आपने गलत नंबर डायल किया है. सो दिस वन, आई एम सॉरी टू से बट यू डायल्ड रॉन्ग नंबर. डायल्ड अप. आई एम सॉरी टू से बट यू डायल्ड अप रॉन्ग नंबर. यू डायल्ड अप रॉन्ग नंबर मीन्स आपने गलत नंबर डायल किया है. आई एम सॉरी टू से मुझे बोलने में बुरा लग रहा है या मुझे बोलने में खेद है, बट यू डायल्ड अप रॉन्ग नंबर, पर आपने गलत नंबर डायल किया है. सो द कॉलर विल से, oh I'm sorry about that. Oh I'm sorry. I'm sorry for disturbing you. I'm sorry for disturbing you. I'm sorry for disturbing you. Then the receiver said, it's okay. It's okay. The caller, thanks for your patience. Just rather than thanks, have a great time ahead. Have a great time ahead. The receiver, same to you. Thanks. Same to you. Bye. Okay, just one sec. Just see this conversation. Just stop writing and just look at this conversation now. We are discussing about phone conversation. Condition is clear. Which condition? Wrong number condition. That means someone dialed a wrong number. Someone dialed a wrong number, and that conversation. C stands for caller. R stands for receiver. Caller means clear. Whoever is calling is called the caller, and whoever received the call is called receiver. So caller is calling, receiver received the call. Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this means Vaishali. Hello, who is this means hello, who is this? What's the meaning of this sentence? Hello, who is this? Okay, from class with who can tell me hello, who is this? What's the meaning of this line? Hello, who is this? Yeah, Ronit. Not he kone, hello kon. Simply hello, who is this means hello kon. Hello kon means hello, who is this? Hello kon. Hello, who is this? मैं जॉन हूँ, this is जॉन. मैं जॉन हूँ, this is जॉन. I mean normally this is John means ये जॉन है. What's the grammatical meaning? This is John means ये जॉन है. But in phone conversation means someone is asking who is this? This is John means मैं जॉन हूँ. Can I speak to Nilakshi? Can I speak to नीलाक्षी? क्या मेरी बात नीलाक्षी से हो सकती है और क्या मैं नीलाक्षी से बात कर सकता हूँ? द रिसीवर सेड आई एम सॉरी टू से. आई एम सॉरी टू से मीन्स मुझे बोलने में खेद है या मुझे बोलते हुए बुरा लग रहा है. बट यू डायल्ड अप रॉन्ग नंबर. यू डायल्ड अप रॉन्ग नंबर कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड विद यू. दिस इज रॉन्ग number. I'm sorry to say but this is wrong number. मुझे बोलने में बुरा लग रहा है पर ये wrong number है. And what's the second option? I'm sorry to say but you dialed up wrong number. मुझे बोलने में बुरा लग रहा है या थोड़ा सा खेद है पर आपने गलत नंबर डायल किया है. Then the caller is saying oh I'm sorry for disturbing you. Simple meaning इसके लिए ना I'm sorry for disturbing you means आपको परेशान करने के लिए मुझे खेद है. इट्स ओके. थैंक्स. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम अहेड. थैंक्स. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम अहेड मीन्स धन्यवाद. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम अहेड. अहेड मीन्स जो आने वाला टाइम है. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम अहेड मीन्स आपका आने वाला समय अच्छा बीते. सेम टू यू. बाय. सेम टू यू मीन्स लाइक आपने मुझे जैसा बोला है आपके साथ भी बिल्कुल वैसा ही हो. एंड बाय. क्लियर? All the meanings are clear? Everyone? Jay? All meanings are clear? Is there anyone who has got any confusion in any sentence? Confirm, na? Yes. No doubt, class 5th? Everything is clear? All the sentences are clear? No doubt in any sentence? Disha? Everything is clear? Okay, so just note down this first. And just write on the heading also phone conversation part 1. Okay, part 1 heading wrong number. Complete faster. Part. Thanks.